Jaworski.
The 1991 Alvin Patrimonio. Valuable goal for the second time. Alvin Patrimonio. Alvin Patrimonio! The most valuable player. Hand up and cheer for Alvin Patrimonio!
Siyang hinirang na MVP noong 1978. Gaano ba naman kasi karaming point guard ang kayang kumanak ng 20 points, 12 assists, at halos 9 rebounds per game kontra sa mga pinakamalalakas na sentro sa kasaysayan ng liga? Asintadong shooter, malupit na defender,
One way and Jaworski takes it away.
iginagalang na leader. Ilan lang ito sa mga kalidad ni Robert the Big J Jaworski Sr.
Between Smithfield and Sandoval. At this point, Patrimonio, pangarap niya, Rudy Hatfield, at Rudy Hatfield finds over Hatfield. And Patrimonio playing in the zone right now. He has to... Sabi ko, diba? Matagal na yun. Oo.
Turn back, the hands of time.
First quarter pa lamang tayo, mga kababayan. Alvin Patrimonio from PLDT territory.
Series, Jaworski works the baseline.
Oh, what a difficult shot.
Watch it once more and enjoy. That is
playing dito ng Alvin Patrimonio. The turnaround talamura para kay Alvin Patrimonio. Ito, panorin nga muna natin. Mapitawan ng bola. And Tony Jaworski defies Father Time.
great. This is Patrimonio. Yes!
Alvin Patrimonio making his move, jumper from the side, yes. Alvin Patrimonio takes matters into his own hands and gets it through.
Very much the management of Northeast Scottish. Here, Scottish, you stand as if to be
Alvin Patrimonio shakes, big, Puruta in the way. Alvin shot short, Alvin gets it back, believe it or not, he still has it. Alvin gets it through sheer...
Here's Patrimonio inside.
Oh, that's a big basket.
Yes, that'll count.
Takes one moment, goes to Alvin Patrimonio, one-hander, bingo!
Stick the decent.
Alvin Patrimonio with that big spin. And it's back to an 8-point lead by San Miguel. But Alvin Patrimonio.
Hit his butt. It was a very sharp butt. Jaworski. What a patented jackknife. Jaworski jackknife. Patrimonio leaning forward with Grim the
Timosa goes inside. Call away jumper. Wala tapik ni Patrimonio.
Alvin nandun, right?
In the world they want is a foul. Here is the Big J with a baseline run.
Oh, yes!
There's Patrimonio again with the defense. There's the pitch to Bobby herself. And out to Alvin Patrimonio. Nicely done.
Tito Loizaga. Jaworski's first attempt on the evening is score! Oh, by the crowd is up on the feet now. The only shot taken by the Big J. And we'll be back. Tony Jaworski's very first attempt for the evening.
Alvin Patrimonio driving inside heavy traffic. He's now taking matters into his...
Every time. Alvin Patrimonio, yes sir.
Fernandez released the ball. He was off balance. Patrimonio.
Defensive adjustment on the part of Coach Chot Reyes. If Jay Taylor takes on Franz Kumare.
Alvin Patrimonio. Out to Jaworski. Here he comes again. And there's the equalizer. They press Marquez. And Sonny takes the ball away.
An opening. Patrimonio will take a three. Yeah! Yes! PLDT long distance shot para kay Alvin Patrimonio. He watched his step and he buried that one from over 20 feet.
Sa loob man ng basketball court o sa hamon ng tunay na buhay, never say die si Robert Jaworski Sr. Iba talaga ang lahing Jawo. Iba talaga ang lahing Ginebra.